the advanced problem. In this problem, I'm going to teach you how to use a t-test to analyze a problem and to determine if there is a significant difference between two samples. So this problem asks us, gives us two samples of tomatoes, one that is treated with an additive and one without it, one that's a control, and it asks us if there is any significant difference between the two groups. So to do this problem, we're going to do phantoms. So the parameter is Roma tomatoes treated with an additive in a greenhouse. The hypothesis, the null hypothesis, is that mu equals 0. The hypothesis is that it does not equal 0. Our assumptions, it tells us that it is randomly chosen and they are randomly assigned. And it says it is not unreasonable to assume normal distribution. So we'll go ahead and assume it there. And we will proceed with caution. And the test we're going to use is a t-test. So it's just x bar minus mu over the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. When you plug that all in, you get a t-score of negative 6.0012 and a p-value of almost 0. So this tells us that we reject the hoe that the two samples of plants are equal because the p-value is so small, it's smaller than any significance level. And so we know that this suggests that there is a difference between the two groups of tomatoes. So now that you've seen this video, you should know how to use a t-test to determine if there's significance between two groups.